Welcome to Crown Point High School. For our next edition of Super Things, join me in forensics class.
So at this point, we have measured out the tissue depth markers. We've added those to the skulls to determine how thick we need to make the clay. With this activity today, students are given their scaled down skulls. They're 4 by 2 inches approximately, and they measure out different tissue depths, because in real life when they have a skull, they use data collected for like over 100 years of average tissue depths for different genders, race, age, etc., to come up with an approximation of what that person's face may look like. So the bones really guide the work with the clay and the shape of the face. But those tissue depth markers tell them how deep they need to build the clay, so how much clay to put on the skull in the different areas. So our students had to make precise measurements. They had to attach those markers in the correct places. And now today at this point, they're working on building the face and adding the clay on the skull to try to figure out what that person's face potentially looked like. Does your mouth extend all the way back to where your fingers are touching?
No.
No, so your mouth is kind of covering those first like 4 or 5 teeth across the front.
So tell me, what do you like about this class?
I really like that it's very hands-on. Like there's a lot of, like with the labs, especially like this, you really get to experience like what they do in real life forensic things. And I've like learned very hands-on instead of like just reading a book. So it's a lot easier for me to like learn and like experience it.
What about forensics kind of drew you to this class to sign up and say that's the one I want to take?
I'm personally very interested in learning about criminals though, and also about how to identify them, and also to see how people even like saw like the specific type of cases, and to see how brutal they are. I was always interested in like criminals as well, so forensics did like spark my interest in that.
So tell me, why are you interested in forensic science?
I really like the hands-on labs. It makes me feel like I get the information down a lot more better. And like compared to like reading like notes and books like from other classes, like it's kind of hard to like get that information down. So like the labs in here, you're able to interact with your friends and other people and work as a team and solve problems.
This whole process, it's about collaboration, critical thinking, and trying to get a feel for what this career would look like. So this class, we really focus on different careers and what would these people that are in these different areas of science in a forensic sense be doing. So like maybe they loved the chemistry experiments when we studied forensic toxicology. There's a lot of jobs in that field where you're working in a chemistry lab. And maybe our artistic kids are really into this. And there's kind of something for everybody in this class, which makes it really fun.
Thanks for joining us in forensics class. We'll see you next time.